In this quick video, I will be sharing a Revit hack with you about creating curves. Here I've got this project file open right now. First, we will create a new profile family. I'm going to go to the English folder here. If you are working in imperial units, you can go to this folder. I will open a metric profile from here. Let's check the thickness of the floor or the sidewalk. As you can see, it is 15 centimeters. We'll create the profile with the same size. So I have created this profile. Now let's save it. I will name it 15 centimeter curve profile. Let's load this into our project. Now to use this profile, I am going to go to architecture, then click this drop down and select slab edge. Let's duplicate this and we will select the profile that we just created. Let's choose a concrete material for this. Make sure we have selected the same family type. Now we can pick this edge of this floor to create the curve, and there we go. The area of this floor is huge and it will take a lot of time to pick each of the edges. Well, Revit lets you pick all the edges by pressing the tab key, so I'm going to do the same. First, let's change the visual style to hidden line so we can see the edges. Then hover over the edge and press the tab key once to highlight all the edges. As you can see, all the edges are now highlighted. Just click. And we have this curve created on all the edges of this floor. So this was a quick Revit hack that I wanted to share with you in this video. Make sure to go through my YouTube channel for in-depth Revit tutorials.